Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making slime. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it. So let's get started. I'm actually not using the light in my room. I'm using the light from outside. So yeah, that's why it's kind of too bright. I think a cloud just covered the sun. Yeah, it's going to come back probably. Probably not, maybe so. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started on making the slime. So what you're going to be needing is a bowl, a mixing utensil, which I cannot find right now. So I think I'm just going to use a pencil or a marker. Just going to use that. Anything can be a mixing utensil. Okay, next we need glue. So let me go ahead and get that glue. See, the light came back, but here's glue. Put that right there. Okay guys, next thing that we need is activator, some sort of activator. And yeah, it's kind of crowded here. Okay, put these down. And then you need food coloring, and I'm going to actually kind of make pink slime, so I'm going to get my dye. Let's see, where is it? Oh, here it is. I'm lucky I found it. So here I got some dye to make some pink slime. I know it says purple dye, but it's going to turn out pink. I've tried it before. It just turns out pink. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and pour in some glue. You know, I should have bought napkins. I'm just going to pour it in here. Okay, so I got some slime, well not slime, glue in there. Okay, here it is. You guys can see. I'm trying to put it a little bit lower so you guys can see better. Put that in there. And I just want to give it a stir. Okay, some food coloring. Or not food coloring, food dye. Okay. Pink. Okay, now it is time for the coloring. I mean, not coloring, the activators. I'm just going to get some of this. Pour it into both. This should be almost as much as I want. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, I'm kind of getting sick. Okay. Gonna go ahead and stir that. Okay, let's see what we can do about this. You guys can see it, right? Oh, darn it. The camera actually got inside of it, and now it's dirty. Oh, I kind of rubbed it on you guys. Well, not you guys, but let me just... I was gonna go say, wash it in the bathroom, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay. see if it comes off. Oh, it's still on there. There you go. But there's still some more slime on the phone. Okay, I'm getting a new case anyways. What I have is really trashy right now. Here, let me go ahead and show you. Just took it off. This is what it looks like. It used to have a little pretty floopy on it, but now it's just ruined. So, oh well, let's continue making the slime. I can't show you much because it wouldn't work. So yeah, let's mix it in though. Okay. Okay. Oopsie, poured in too much, but okay. I think it'll activate it just enough to make it ready. Just gonna put this right there. This isn't gonna do anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start going off my hands. As you can see, I restarted. Okay. Woo, okay. Trying to activate a little bit more. Well, not a little bit, a lot more, so it can get fully activated. Because this is quite sticky. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. This is just sticky. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I got it done. This is it. It's not totally done. It's kind of sticky. But this is it. Kind of looks like chewed up bubble gum. That's what I'm going to name it. On the camera, it looks kind of prettier pink than it looks like on real life. Real life, it's lighter than how it looks like on camera. Okay. This is it. Okay. gonna try to pour this in. There we go. Now I think it's gonna be ready. Yeah, now it's ready. It has to be ready now. It's not gonna be sticky. I can already feel it. Hold on. Okay, let's see this time. This time it's gotta work. Okay. This is what we got. I like it. Obviously, I'm probably going to activate it some more because it didn't trust me and it enough. So it's still kind of sticky. You know what? I'm just going to add a little bit more activated and it'll be gonna actually, oh, see, it almost went on my pants, like all of it. Make a little hole. Put the activator in there before it closes. There we go. Okay, now it's time to just play with it. So this is what I came out with, and it's amazing. Let's see. Let's take it out, put it on here. Thought there was some dried up piece of slime on there. Amazing. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you want to see more slime videos, slime ASMRs, or slime challenges, slime dares, any type of dares. Dares with slime. You know what? Dares with squishies. I've seen a lot of people do that. Like on YouTube, where they cut up the squishies or they flush them down the toilet and get the toilet clogged. That sometimes happens. But leave down below any requested slime videos or squishy videos, like challenges and how to make this or that, or I'll show you different recipes, things like that. So leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. So yeah, bye.